Alright, here we are again at Jason Sports Cards, about to bust a pack of Crown Royal and a box of 2009-2010 National Treasures basketball. Let's do it. Nope, there's right there. Brian Bass, Carlos Boozer, Chris Webber, Blake Griffin, DeJuan Blair, Tash Gibson, Luol Deng, J.J. Barea, and the hit is Wes Matthews autograph. Not completely sure who that is. Number to 699. Alright. Let's do National Treasures. I've done some National Treasures football. This is my first basketball, so let's hope it goes well. Apparently I'm not going to actually open it. We're just going to watch me tear at it for a while. There we go. Alright. Okay. Now, for them to understand, usually the bottom's a base and the last three are jerseys. So, well, actually, I'm not sure. We'll just pull the bottom base off. The bottom base is Paul Arizin, number 15 of 25. Alright. Base of Emeka Okafor, number 299. And base of David Lee, number 25. Nice, 2 of 5. Okay. First hit is a Dwayne Wade Colossal jersey, number 299. Second one is Terrence Williams Colossal jersey auto, number 249. Third one, jersey of Carmelo Anthony, number 299. Oh, nice patch of Chris Kaman, numbered 1 of 1. Nice. So we got a it's like a tag patch, Chris Kaman, 1 of 1. All right, another autograph here of Darren Collison. It's like a Colossal jersey autograph, number 249. And a base kind of stuck out here in the middle of Cliff Hagan, number 299. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna put that there and do that one last. Okay, Hasheem Thabeet, that's nice. Jumbo patch auto, number 299. And this last one is actually what I opened the box hoping to pull. Oh, that's the last one. Next last one. Oh, nice. Chris Mullin. Auto jersey, number to 49. And this is the one I was hoping to pull. That would indeed be George Mikan cut autograph. Nice. Numbered 5 of 15.
How big that is?
Wow. George Mikan cut signature.
Your guy.
Wow. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and good luck.